Hi guys, how you doing? Jeff here with another fan video. Today we're looking at a somewhat rare fan. This is a Casablanca Century 9000. Let's see here, I'll show some other angles of it. So kind of a ornate fan, no vents on the motor housing. Similar blade, or the same blade brackets that came on, I think, the Cambridge and a couple other models. Anyways, recently acquired this fan, and it appears that it wasn't used very much. The bearings were absolutely silent, flywheels still in good shape. The blades that are currently on here actually came off of a antique brass Delta, which I had parted out a while ago. Because the blades that I found the fan with did not go with it very well. Yes, these are the blades that were on the fan when I first came across it, and it just doesn't look good on this kind of fan. So those have been swapped out with some standard Casablanca blades from the era, and yeah. So this fan runs really well. The Slumber quiet still appears to be in great working shape. It's got a great low speed. Really very nice fan overall. One I would really like to keep or hang on to, but where I'm at financially right now, I'm gonna have to sell this one. Bills need to be paid, so this will be eBay bound. So if interested, watch my auctions. My seller account name is gdogkzo. This will be listed very shortly, and I'll be doing another eBay only video. But first, we'll do the full-on demonstration, since you guys seem to like those. Alright. So I think we're on all the way low. Let's give this thing a pull and see. Oh, all the way high. Tell you what, I want to start it on low, because I love to start up on these Slumber quiets. So we'll turn her back down. Switch the Slumber quiet switch all the way to low, and we'll fire her up. So here is Slumber quiet all the way low. I think the smooth jazz in the background goes great with this fan. Good demonstration. If you can find a fan with working Slumber quiet, or repair a fan with non-working Slumber quiet, there's nothing quite like this low speed with no hum. It's one of my favorites, and I kind of wish I had one of these, a Slumber quiet fan installed in my house. Currently, all of my Casablancas are on, they're all IntelliTouch models, so I don't actually have one up right now. Let's go ahead and turn the speed up a little bit. Go a little higher. And we'll go all the way up to high, let it run for a second, and then do a spin down. Runs nice and smooth. I didn't have to do any balancing of the blades or bending of the blade irons or anything. This fortunately just ran like this when I put it up. It's always nice to find a fan like that that's good to go. So I got some more information on it. Serial number BR08703. I'll be looking that up to put the information in the auction, but I haven't yet, so I'm not sure when it was made. So let's go ahead and we will do a spin down from high here. very cool fan. I do have the downrod that's shown on it is not going to be included on eBay. It will come with the original spiral Casablanca downrod. I think it's either a 12-inch or a 18-inch. I'll have to double check. That will all be listed in the auction as well. But yeah, complete fan. It'll come with these blades. It'll come just as assembled right here, aside from the different downrod as mentioned. Yeah, hopefully there's another collector out there who would like to own this, because as I said, I'd love to keep it, but with my current financial situation, it really doesn't make sense for me to keep. And as cool as the fan as it is, it wasn't childhood. It wasn't anything that I have to have, that I struggle to let go with. So this one will be going up for sale on eBay. Once again, that's gdogkzo is the seller account if interested in purchasing it. It'll be up there shortly. And thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video for more fan-related content.